Hey y'all, it's editing Kaiya. So I definitely forgot to do an intro because this was initially a part of another video. But hey y'all, I'm Kaiya Janae and welcome back to my channel. The Christmas tree have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing. Alright. You wanna go in with your conditioner? I absolutely love having a short cut. It is high maintenance, but for me, this is the most low maintenance style ever. Like, of course you gotta know how to style it when you in between relaxers, or if your style get a little old. Of course then you have to know how to style it. But for me, this is the most manageable way for me to have my hair. Just foam and mold. I feel like I got some hair in my mouth. And I don't want to come out. But yeah, good morning, y'all. Today is going to be a very chill day. I am expecting a package, a very exciting package. And we're going to open it and do a little unboxing together. But besides that, we're just going to be in the house like always. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, that I have a house to be in. No matter how boring it gets. Reframing my mind is something that I'm working on because I feel like it's easy for me to look at what I don't have or what I want that I don't have yet and just start to get upset or discouraged. So I really do be needing to reframe my thinking. So instead of I'm in a house with nothing to do, I am blessed to have a day at home, or I'm blessed to have a home to be in, because it could always be worse. But I also have to be careful with saying it could always be worse, because I feel like for me that's a way to minimize how I feel. Feelings weren't created for us to ignore, but it also wasn't meant for us to soak in it. Okay, I'm about to put my scarf on. It already feel like it's drying. So hopefully it don't take a long time to dry completely. And I'm challenging myself. We don't act like that didn't happen, but I'm also challenging myself to vlog with my new lens. It's a 33, but it crops to a 55. So the only annoying thing about it is that I can't put y'all close to my face when I'm holding y'all, or when I set it up, y'all definitely got to be far back, or else y'all gonna be all up in my nostril. That's the only thing that I don't like. But the quality of the lens is top tier, so I have to learn to adapt until we get a new one, or I can put my kit lens on. But I feel like I need the challenge. I need the challenge. Alright, y'all, we had to finish out the video on my phone because I am currently editing, but this is how our mold turned out. My scarf was laying a little weird, but this is the results of doing a Pixie mold. That's the end of this video. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.